Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to turn off ask permission to download app on App Store. Now guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is of course have an iPhone for the sake of this video, and then you just need to go to the App Store and you need to go and log into your Apple ID. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always of course create an Apple ID, and this is a really important step. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Apple or iPhone videos, however we want to put it, where you can go and see all of those things. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in front of us here, as you can see, we have the App Store where we have the Today's page where you can see all the applications that are for you, made for you, or they think that they are for you for this day. So today's date is 24 March for me, and we can see some games and apps here. Also, in the second section, we have the games, where you can see that you have some games and some other application that you can get that they also might think that you want. So this is only with games. We have the app section where all of the applications are in one place. So here you can see that we have some of my applications also that I can update or open or whatever I want to do. And also guys, in the we have the arcade where you can go and see some arcade stuff, and the search where we can search for games, apps, stories, and some more things. Also in the top right corner, as we can see, we have everything about your account. Guys, note this, all of this data is fake for the sake of this video, so that's just so you know. And you can have some stuff about your profile here. Now guys, let's see how you can actually turn off ask permissions to download app on App Store. Well, you can only turn off the ask to buy feature if you're the family or organizer. On iPhone or iPad, open settings to go to family sharing, family member name, then go to ask to buy. On Mac, open system settings and go to family member's name and ask to buy. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.